So this is the first look we have today for you guys. But I think it's so cute. I think it's great with my skin tone. Obviously, it's too small because the side boob is just doing the most. So I'm going to need to send this back, pay for the shipping. It's just, I hate when I have to pay for shipping. It just pisses me off. Aside from that, overall, I think it's a great fit, a great look. It can go with anything. A Louis Vuitton bag. And if you want to dress it down, a dope black jean jacket will look cute with this. Really cute. On to the second look, shall we? This is figure hugging. It fits your center, your core very well. Once you figure out how to get the straps on, then you're good to go. But it was a struggle getting into this. But in the end, as you can see, it was all worth it. She's cute. She puts the boys on mute. It's encouraging me to go to the gym so I can work out these little kinks I have on the side. But overall, you can dress this up, you can dress it down. It actually has 2 zippers on the back. One goes up, one goes down. I love it. Alright, so we're on to the next. This is the third look so far. I managed to pull them all the way up, so they're really high-waisted on me, but this is not a disadvantage for me. With that being said, I just want to let you girls know that these pants do come extra long. I'm 5'5", so it's a lot of room for your legs. If you're tall, they're going to be perfect. Or if you are around the same size as me, I still think these pants look good. Don't mind me, I'm just doing my dance. Also, I am wearing underwear, so for those of you guys who think we're not wearing underwear for you, like I said, you can look, but don't touch. Alright, so this is our fourth look of today. And so since you guys don't know who I am as a person, I'm going to let you know that I do steal my boyfriend's clothes, his shirts, his hats, whatever I think is dope of his and I want it, it becomes mine. So I finally found a shirt that looks like it's your boyfriend's shirt, but it fits you at the center where every woman wants a little extra, you know? So this shirt was perfect. I think it's versatile. You can wear it with jeans. You can wear it with leggings. The only disappointing thing about this shirt is that it's too small and it lifts up in the back where my derriere is. So I'm going to have to send this back and hopefully the next size up will be a better fit. With the proper size, This would be so freaking cute with some thigh-high stockings. I think it would be perfect. What do you think? So we've made it to look number sunk. Sunk is how you say 5 in French, by the way. This outfit would have been one of my favorites, but a huge downside to this is the fabric is see-through and it should be double line for your protection. So I absolutely hate that about this outfit. The design is great. It was difficult to get into it. I couldn't figure out where my arm went, where my leg was supposed to go, where the crosses were supposed to go. I think it should have came with a set of directions, but you know, after a while you figure it out. And it's extremely long. All of the pants are tailored for taller women. I still, don't think this is a super disadvantage, but us shorter girls are going to have to get the bottoms of our pants from Mistress Rocks hemmed. We're just gonna have to do it. Because I was tripping on the material and I'm like, shit, I need to take this back. See, look. So it's like a love-hate relationship with this outfit. I love it, and there's some parts of it that I don't like, but overall I did decide to keep it. So we'll see how it looks in the daylight. We've made it to the final look of this video. I would consider this look to be very comfortable, relaxed, chill. My advice would be to go a size bigger because this is an extra small. I could not breathe. You can pair this outfit with some dope sneakers, or you can dress it up with a pair of heels. You can throw on a jean jacket, a fur jacket, because it is kind of cold right now. So whatever you like, whatever your style says. So my advice to myself is that you are no longer an extra small. Okay, Brooke? Okay. Anyway, if there are things that you liked, loved it, or if there are things that you didn't like, hated it, be sure to leave them in the comments below because I'm here for all of it. And if you want to, you can press the red button so you can see, what you can see, future videos. Once again, thank you guys so much. I'll see you later. Au revoir. Merci.